Hi everybody, this is Mary with Stampin' Camp with Mary and from Mary's Stamping Happenings. Today is simple stamping, and this is a cute little dope card we're using. It's using a new stamp set. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using By the Bay. See if you can see that one. And we're going to be using Memento ink, and we're going to be using Whisper White note card and envelopes, and I'm going to be using some Stampin Write markers. I'm going to be using some neutrals, the subtles, and some of the regals. Okay, so the first, and I'm also going to be using, of course, the Stamparatus. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Stamparatus all set up under there. Get my note card. And again, I'm going to be doing this upside down, so I'm going to put that right there, and thank you. Right there. And then I'm just going to pick it up and going to, sorry guys, I'm going to ink it up with Memento black. Just like that. Clean it off, put it back. One of the nice things about being in a trailer is you definitely have to put your stamps back right away. Now remember, these are, let me show you, these are the cling stamps, so you have to lift, gently lift one end. Oh, and I did a boo-boo there. Gently lift one end and put it in. And I've got it there. Now somebody showed me, and I'm going to do that. They put just a small amount of washi tape on an edge, just enough to lift it off so it doesn't stick. Okay, I'm going to do that. Next time I do this, hopefully it will stick. Then I'm going to take this off, put my Stamparatus away in my very new and brand new Stamparatus bag. Isn't that cool? Look at this Stamparatus bag. You need one. And it's got room for extra plates and things like that, which I don't have. Okay, now all I'm going to do is color this. So I'm going to use some Old Olive, some Pure Pizzazz Soft Sea Foam, let's see, some gray granite, some crumb cake, and some Sierra sand. And I'm just going to do, now you can also watercolor these. I'm going to do these, and you don't have to be really get in there. I'm just highlighting. Give it some shading. Little weathered look on the, since it's right by the bay, you know. And I'm going to get out some blue for the water. Let's do some balmy blue. And there we go. Quick, easy, just to highlight some of the areas. So for Stampin' Camp with Mary, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Oh, follow me on YouTube, and all the stuff to make this is down below. Bye-bye.